Water molecules have a unique property that makes them ideal for microwave cooking. They are dipolar, which means they have a positive charge on one end and a negative charge on the other. When exposed to microwave radiation, these molecules encounter a rapidly oscillating electromagnetic field. The electric field component of this radiation changes direction billions of times per second. Water molecules attempt to align with this constantly changing field, causing them to rotate rapidly. As the field oscillates, each molecule continuously rotates to maintain alignment. This rapid rotation happens billions of times per second, creating molecular friction as the molecules repeatedly collide with each other. This friction generates heat throughout the food, allowing it to cook from both the inside and outside simultaneously, which is unique to microwave cooking. After the magnetron produces microwaves, they need to be directed into the cooking chamber. This is accomplished through a waveguide, which is a specialized metal channel designed to efficiently direct electromagnetic waves. The waveguide works by bouncing the microwaves along its interior walls, guiding them toward the cooking chamber. Once the microwaves enter the cooking chamber, they bounce off the metal walls in multiple directions. As these waves interfere with each other, they create what's called standing waves. These standing waves produce regions of high and low microwave intensity, known as hot spots and cold spots. To overcome this uneven heating, modern microwaves include a turntable. The rotating platform moves food through different regions of microwave intensity, resulting in more uniform cooking. In summary, waveguides efficiently channel microwave energy from the magnetron into the cooking chamber, where the waves bounce around, creating a complex pattern. The turntable compensates for standing waves by rotating food through areas of varying intensity. Power controls in microwaves work differently than you might expect. Unlike conventional ovens, microwave power settings don't actually change the intensity of the microwave radiation. Instead, they adjust what engineers call the duty cycle. At 100% power, the magnetron, which generates microwaves, stays on continuously throughout the cooking time. But at 50% power, the magnetron alternates between being on for a few seconds and off for a few seconds. At even lower settings, like 30%, the magnetron is off for an even longer proportion of the cooking time. This on-off cycling is what allows for more controlled and even cooking. At high power settings, the magnetron stays on continuously, which can lead to rapid, sometimes uneven heating. But at lower power, those off periods allow heat to distribute more evenly throughout the food, preventing the common problem of an overcooked outside with a cold center. This simple but effective approach to power control gives you more precision when cooking different types of food.